Today we're going to talk about prepositions. Preposition is a part of speech just like a noun or a verb. Connects a noun or a pronoun to another word in the sentence. It tells where or when. We have over as our preposition. We have rainbow as our object of the preposition. That's called a prepositional phrase. Prepositional phrases begin with the preposition and end with the object. You will have a list of words that you can use that you will know that are prepositions. In this sentence, a bird flew over the rainbow. We have over as our preposition. We have rainbow as our object, and all of the words in between, that whole thing there is considered a prepositional phrase. Here's another example. The noisy girls were talking during class. During is my preposition. Class is the object of my preposition. Tells when the girls were talking during class. This is my prepositional phrase. You start with the preposition and you end with a noun or pronoun. For your assignment, you are going to do these 8 problems. And in these 8 problems, you are going to underline the prepositional phrase and circle the preposition. Prepositional phrase ends when you get to a noun or a pronoun that is considered the object of the preposition. You're going to circle the preposition and underline the whole prepositional phrase.